Have you ever wondered what it takes to get into the Guinness Book of World Records? Putting on the most socks on a single foot in 30 seconds.
That's impossible. I'm all right.
Solving the most Rubik's Cubes on a skateboard.
Yeah, I've never solved one of these in my life.
Performing the most blindfolded backwards standing somersaults in 1 minute.
That's Barf City.
Stacking coins into a tower in 30 seconds.
Time.
Creating the tallest tower of toilet paper in 30 seconds.
That's almost as tall as me. Stand.
Honestly, world records never really crossed my mind. At least not until I went and saw the coolest one of all time. Here we are. World's largest ball of paint. So over the years, I've seen a few of the world's greatest or the world's longest, but this was my first largest.
Well, come on in.
All right. They weren't kidding. And I'd say it was fairly big. I would assume it's similar to what a King Kong book would look like. And I couldn't help but wonder, what would possess someone to make something like this?
A baseball accidentally got into some paint, so I wrapped this wire around it and just started dipping it and painting it. It took me 2 years to put 1,000 layers on it.
Oh, this little guy.
Yeah.
In 1977, Mike started a new ball, this time with his 3-year-old son.
This is what's in the middle. It's nothing but paint, 9,180 pounds, and I've been painting it for 46 years.
46 years.
46 years.
So the unique thing about this world record is that you can be a part of it. You can actually add your own layer of paint to the ball. And of course, there are a few rules.
You paint whatever color you want,
Okay.
but you can do it any way you want to.
But Mike's all about first.
Not like first.
I mean, he did create the world's first largest ball of paint. So I thought I'd be the first to strip down to my underwear, paint my entire body, and give this giant ball of his a hug. To which he said,
You will be the first one to ever do such a thing.
yeah?
This is the first time I'm gonna be getting half naked to paint a ball. I guess half naked to paint anything. Should I keep the socks on?
Yes.
Okay, so don't be alarmed. I have chest hair and pierced nipples.
So where's the chest hair?
Now, when I first imagined myself painting this giant ball in nothing but my underwear and a pair of socks, I really didn't picture sporting such a doughy figure. I definitely packed on a few pounds over the past few months while we were finishing up this van at my mom's. It's just a lot of butter.
Do I have any in my teeth?
No, you're good.
Okay.
I was actually feeling pretty self-conscious about my newly acquired soft body,
Can you wipe my hands and I can get better grip?
but I could tell everybody else was having a good time, so eventually I just let it go. Because I guess, who cares, you know? Sure, it's strange that I'm half naked smacking my painted body up against this giant ball while Mike's granddaughter's there to witness it all. But it's supposed to be strange, right? I mean, isn't that the point? Not to be some world record in a book, but to be something different. People don't really tell you how easy it is to get boring as you get older. Go to school, get a job, buy a house, be on time, brush your teeth. You should brush your teeth. I grocery shop on Mondays, I eat ice cream on Wednesdays, and Fridays are for pizza because that's my routine and I feel safe. Well, when's the last time you broke your routine? And I'm not saying everyone should go to the world's largest ball of paint stripped down to their underwear and have their friend touch their butt like I did. All I'm saying is break the pattern.
Does that look like a person? Does that look like me?
Try joining your local dodgeball team. Maybe learn how to play Pokemon. Sure, you've collected, but have you actually played? Hell, just try a new board game with your friends. Get that mullet, shave your eyebrow, mismatch your socks. Be the beekeeper you've always wanted to be. Just try something different. You think Mike created that giant ball of paint because it was a great career choice, make him millions of dollars or help him fit in?
I had no idea it was going to be the world's biggest, and I had no idea it was going to be popular. So everything's a mystery. Last year I had over 3,500 visitors, people from all over the world. It's just been interesting. It's fun.
Yeah.
You make it fun. Oh, by the way, if you paint this will probably be the weirdest thing you'll ever do in your life.
Let's hope.
You know, sometimes the smallest things can have the biggest impact on your life. Who knew a baseball could turn into a world record? I certainly didn't know joining a local climbing gym could lead to living out of a van and pooping in a bucket full of mulch.
Eh?
But here I am, and I'm happy for it. Maybe this life on the road won't live up to the hype, but it could be the start of something pretty rad. I guess we'll just have to find out. And you can follow along if you want to see. Thanks for letting us do this.
Yeah.
Woo! All right, I think I'm all right. I'll wipe this. How's that for Wim Hof?
You got it off your teeth.
Did I?
Yeah.
Oh, I ate a lot of it.
Shirts and pants in there, don't forget.
Oh yeah, we'll get it.